Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. What we'll be doing here today, guys, we'll apply to BMW 3 and 4 series, I think from year 2012 to year 2017-18, guys. If you're trying to find, guys, where your engine computer ECU is located, stay with us and we'll show you guys how to get to it and where it's located. Now, quick introduction. We'll guys have more than 200 videos, guys, probably close to 300 videos on this car right here and every single car we get at the shop. Why? Simply because, guys, our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys want to see the replacement video for the engine computer, we'll have that one as well. Stay with us and we'll explain a little bit about that as well. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that for your BMW, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share it for your convenience. So, this is a 3 series, but as you know, 3 and 4 series, they share the same platform, guys. So, engine-wise, many of the things are the same as well. And now, this is the N20 or N26 engine. Both of them look identical, guys. They're used on multiple 3 and 4 series models as well, guys. You need to open your hood, and now this is your engine. Now, where is the engine computer? It's a little bit hidden, but it's easy to get to, and we'll explain about that. If you guys want to see the replacement video and all that stuff, we'll have it on our main channel. It's called Auto Repair, guys. Check it out, main channel. And we just finished a timing chain replacement on another BMW 3 series that failed at 87,000 miles. The whole video is on Auto Repair, guys. Will be published very soon as well. So, how you guys get to the engine computer? Okay, I'm going to have a person hold the camera like that, and this is your engine cover right here. You will guys need to remove your engine cover. Okay, grab. You have, I think, 2 holders on one side and one on the right side. Okay, get loose. Now you need to lift it up and come out, because there is two guides on the back. Now, where the engine cover attaches to the engine, guys. 1 spot here, 2 spots here, 3, and on the back side it slides in. Okay, these two guides, they slide in, guys, and I'm going to show you where. Okay, they slide in right there, and the engine cover attaches to this ball here, this mount, and the one right there. Once you remove it, guys, what we have here, this is your guys' engine computer ECU. Everything is right here. So, if you want to see the replacement and the programming, as I said, it will be coming soon on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. But many of you just ask where it's located. So, if you need to check wiring harness, if you need to check if a wire is good or not going to a sensor, we've used to do that in the past. We still do. When something malfunctions, we always check the wiring as well, guys. This is where your engine computer is located. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.